Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this new pattern. This one looks like a cable, but the way to knit is different. For this pattern you need to have 4 stitches, and for separation in this case I used 2, but it's up to you. If you want to have more space between this pattern you can knit 3 or 4 stitches, but be careful for this one. We need to have 4 and plus the one for edges. Let's get a start by make samples for you. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the first 2 as the edge, then knit 4 stitches, again 2 stitches, pull 2 stitch for separation, knit 4, and again pull 2 stitches. I'm going to repeat that one for 2 more rows, just by knit whatever it is, the stitches, and pull the stitches is knit. I'm going to repeat 1 more row, and then we start to do the pattern. The pattern is going to be start in the wrong side. What we have to do, just let me grab the yarn. Okay. In the wrong side of the word, we are going to just knit the separation. When it comes in this 4 pull, we're going to just do it by increasing like that. 3 and 4. Then knit 2 for separation, and when it comes to the pull stitch, again do it by increasing. This is the row 1 of the pattern, and this is the wrong side of the work. Row 2, just pull the stitches. When it comes in this 4, we are going to take the stitches and grab the yarn we already increased like this. What we have to do, we are going to take these 2, chain it with this one, then knit 1 or 2, yarn over, and knit these together like this. Let's do it again one more time. First we are going to make it like this, then we change like a cable, knit these 2, yarn over, and knit these together. This is the end of row 2. Row 3, what we have to do, just we are going to do the normal knitting. The one is pull, the one is knit. See, pull, the one we increase also. Pull, 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 and knit. Row 4 again. We are going to just knit as a knot. This pattern is going to be repeat of row 1 to row 4. It means that again when we came to the wrong side of the work, we have to just start by increasing like that. Separation and increasing again. And in this row we take it again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We change the position of these two like a cable. Knit the first one, knit the second one, yarn over and knit these together. Let me do it just one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, yarn over and knit these together. That's all. You are going to repeat row 1 to row 4. After few rows of repeat this pattern, we are going to have this pattern. This is really soft and stretchable. You can use it for scarf, hat, or any kind of other project you like. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.